Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send messages on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. At the bottom, you'll be provided with 5 options: the home option, the now, the plus icon, which is for creating posts, your inbox, and your profile. Here you click on your inbox, and then you can select whoever you wish to send the message to. Then you type in your message. For you to find your friends, at the top right, you can see the message icon. You create a message, and then you can search for whoever you wish to send the message to. You tap on the person's info, and then you can send your message. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.